Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. Cloves are a very popular spice. They can be used in cooking, in medicine. Well, in this video I will tell you why you need to pour vinegar into cloves. I don't think you've done it this way, but the recipe is simple enough, so I hope you'll give it a try. So, the first thing to do is to grind the cloves. We will need about 1 tablespoon of dry buds. If you don't have anything to grind the cloves in, I will tell you what you need to do next. This is the amount of ground cloves I got. Now you need to pour 150 milliliters of hot water here. Mix everything well and leave to infuse for 2 hours. Crushed cloves will give up all their beneficial properties faster. If you didn't crush the cloves but used whole buds, then it will take more time and it is better to leave it overnight. I have infused cloves. Look how the color has changed. Now you need to add 150 milliliters of vinegar. To make the prepared product convenient to use, take a bottle with a spray. To prevent the spray from clogging, the product needs to be filtered. Well, now let me tell you about the advantages of this solution and where it can be used. Spray a damp cloth with a cleaning agent and wipe the kitchen table, countertop, tiles, especially around the sink, because when we wash dishes everything gets splashed with water and then gets covered with limescale. You can also wipe your kitchen sink and faucet with this product. If you have heard, you can chew cloves to get rid of bad breath and maintain oral health. It also reduces toothache, helps digestion, you can make baths from cloves, drink various teas. But how is all this connected with cleaning? The thing is that cloves have antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Vinegar is also antibacterial, plus it perfectly eliminates unpleasant odors. Therefore, the prepared product is perfect for disinfection. You can use it to wipe not only kitchen surfaces, but also bathroom tiles. The bathroom usually has high humidity. This is a great environment for mold, fungi and bacteria. Also, limescale and soap scum accumulate on the tiles, and the prepared product will cope with all of this. With its help, you will not only get rid of bacteria, but also clean the tiles to a shine. The prepared product can also be used to remove plaque from glass shower doors and bathtubs. If you use it regularly, you will forget about limescale and mold forever. And one more small addition: cloves and vinegar are excellent insect repellents. Therefore, if you have noticed ants, cockroaches, moths somewhere, it is enough to wipe these places with the prepared product and the problem will be solved. As you can see, if you pour vinegar into cloves, you get a good remedy that perfectly solves many problems. I hope this video was useful for you. Like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.